In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Canva templates. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in so your designs save to your account. From the home page, click Create to start a new project, then choose the type of product you plan to sell. A logo template is a great example because it's simple, in demand, and easy to customize for buyers. Begin designing your first page. The template itself. If you already have graphics or brand elements you're allowed to use, open the Uploads panel, click Upload Files, and select the images you want. Add text by choosing Add a text box, then type a sample name or tagline to show how the layout works. Customize the look by adjusting font family, size, weight, and color, so the style feels cohesive. To change the canvas background, click the background area, open the color options at the top, and pick a color that complements your design. Keep spacing consistent and align elements so the template looks clean and professional. When the first page is ready, add a new page. Use the second page as a thank you and instruction sheet. Briefly explain what the buyer purchased and how to access the editable template link. Next, create that shareable link. Click Share, choose Template Link, then create template link and copy it. This special link lets your buyer open the design and automatically create their own editable copy. Return to the second page and make the instructions clickable. Select the text you want to turn into a link, open the three-dot menu, choose Link, paste the template link you copied, and confirm by clicking Done, then Done again if prompted. Now prepare the delivery file. Click Share, choose Download, select the file type, pick PDF Standard, and download your document. This PDF will contain your thank you note with the live link, making fulfillment simple and automated. Finally, list your template for sale on marketplaces like Etsy, regional platforms such as Rake@PH, or your own website and actively market it. Use clear titles and keywords, show attractive mockups, and describe exactly what's included and how the link works. Price based on complexity and include a short usage note, reminding buyers to replace sample text and images. For best results, stick to fonts and elements permitted for commercial use and present a consistent brand style across your shop. That's it. You've built a template, created a shareable link, packaged it for delivery, and set yourself up to start earning.